Hey everybody, here I am with my brand new KLIM F3 carbon helmet. So I'll have a link in the description for these products right here. And then I also got the Viper Pro off-road goggles, and it has like a light smoke screen. It also comes with a clear one. I also, on the helmet, have the GoPro mount made for the F3. It goes in just like so. I have a video about putting these on, and then the post sticks out like that. So it's pretty neat. And then I have my mic because I do talking, and I have the media mod on the Hero 8 Black. I have that tucked up in here. There are a couple, this is just a tether if you want to tether your GoPro. I just left it on. But if you want to put your mic, I have some foam around the ends, mic foam. It came with my Senya actually, but this is a Sony ECM mic. I'll have that in the description. So you can go buy exactly the same thing if you want. And it fits nicely in this cutout. I put some electrical tape to block off. I did that on this side. You can do it from the inside too if you want. But that's just to block the air off so the air is not rushing in to that area. And the mic squeezes in just fine. You'll have to actually break the clip off, the lapel clip that comes with it. But that's not a huge deal to break that off. Then I take the wire, I kind of ran it up in there, used it up, and then ran it back, and then wrapped it around here, put some electrical tape here so it's not all loose. And then the GoPro goes on right here. So that's pretty cool. So that's how I have my helmet set up. So new, I haven't even taken off the large sticker yet. But yes, it's a large. Fits me just fine. It's pretty nice. That's what it looks like. It also has a magnetic buckle like that. So I love those. Makes it so quick and easy to take on and off the helmet. So that is the helmet there, and then I got the standard, just goggles, but they have these silly, I hate these things, go around the helmet, hold on your goggles. I've always run, ever since I watched an Extreme Enduro, I was like, what does that rider have? It's this, quick strap. I just always buy the black ones. You can get them in red, blue, various colors, green, yellow. This is like, I think $18. $18, and I don't have to worry about the goggles being on. And this makes it so I can take it off a lot easier. When I'm on single track, I don't typically have goggles on. I just put the goggles to the back. All you do is take two sticky pads, put one on either side, hook this through your goggles, the ends here, and it will easily go on and off of the helmet and let you dangle the goggles or take it and put it around the helmet. Real easy. And once you get good at it, I mean, you can do it as you're riding. So I have it off. If I need it on, because I'm on single track, I jump on a GoPro to connect trails, I can quickly take it on or off. To better demonstrate this, I'll show my old F3 helmet. And here's the same goggles, same color scheme. And you can see it's attached right here. We'll take it close to the camera. It's attached like that, so you can take it totally off. It's on there good. You have to really jam it off to get this to come off. But this side, the left side, so that's all you do. I want it off, it's off. I want it on, I put it on, just like that. They do get loose over time, and that's probably age and just using it. But you can adjust it, and I do quite frequently, maybe a couple times a year. So it's tighter on my face. But you can take it and you can go around. It's easier to do when it's on your head. Go around, and you'll see me riding like this a bunch. And I do that because when I'm on single track, my eyes don't need to be hot. You get really hot if you have the goggles on. At least I do. My eyes get really hot. So I, on slow stuff, typically don't have them on. Why? I'm not in a race. So that's anyways how I run my helmets. So let's go ahead and put them on the other helmet here, the new F3, and see how they look. There's a bunch of directions, shows you like where to mark and all that. I mean, it's really self-explanatory. I've done enough of these because I've had them on my helmets now for a long time. Anytime I get a new helmet, buy a new set. One time I bought a new set just to buy a new set to change out the straps. And of course, you don't then have to take off and use the stickers. So somewhere around here, I have extra stickers. So I could have just moved everything over. But you see, nice and black. They're not broken in like over here over time. But that's okay. That's okay. This is going to be much quicker for you folks at home because you're not trying to do this on camera. So just pull, get it, go. One side. Just have to start it. Okay, got that side off. So one way you could do, if you want to be real easy, is just cup this, and if you're not ever gonna run these straps, technically I guess I could do that. I got enough extra straps laying around. So all I did was push down. You gotta try to push down to get that flat so it just will start coming through. Once you get it through, then you can get it out. It was a little easier towards my body than trying to do it in front of the camera. So there we have that. And we take this strap, and it's the same type of setup. All you do is have to get this piece through there. There, see? Now it won't come back. It's that easy for that piece. So we have both straps on the goggles. And now I need to get it on the helmet. I could probably ballpark it with the other helmet here, because it's going to be roughly the same area. One thing you'll want to do is take alcohol or something, just clean the area you're going to stick it, so no greases. I got some glass cleaner here. This should work. Just clean the area I plan to stick it. Once you clean the area with whatever cleaner you want to use, looks about right compared to the other one, if not further on, which will be fine. It'll just be a little tighter. And I'll take this one. Yeah, roughly there. There we go. So here is the helmet with the strap on. I put it there and it pulls nice and tight, level, I mean even on which side of the strap, so I think I got all of that correct. I've done this quite a bit, guys, so it's pretty easy for me to put this on even on camera. It's not that difficult. And look, I'm riding along, I take it off. I help the person or just talk to them. I don't have it on. My eyes aren't as hot. And if I want it on the back, I just go like that and go right around, and it's right on the back. That's all you do. And it's so much nicer for 18 bucks. Look how much these helmets cost. A mount's 30, 18 bucks in my goggles. You can have it dangling if you just need it like that. If you prefer just to have it dangle as you're riding. I don't. I always put it on the back, So that way they stay cleaner too on the inside. Then if you're dangling like this, you might get stuff that splatters or bugs. And your eyes stay a lot cooler, thus your head stays a lot cooler, because when these are on, I don't care who you are, they're freaking hot. Because it's covering, it's sealing a part of your face. Even me talking and breathing is much more hotter in this helmet because the hot air is not leaving my head as easy. Plus, with it off, and if I'm cruising, then I'm getting air blown in. Now, you do have, you know, bugs that could go in your eye. That's the downside. If you're riding with other people and somebody wants to be in front, dust, mud, rocks, you'll want to have your goggles on. But if you're leading the pack and it's slow going, it's a gnarly single track or Jeep trail or ATV trail, why? You don't need these. You're going so slow, you know? So, and when you do need them, as I ride, I quickly can get them on typically. This seems to work better in the riding setting. So I can take it off easy, and then I grab it, and one hand, I tend to go like that. I might need to readjust it at some point because it wasn't on correct, but you know, I can keep riding. I'm pretty good at that now. So when I'm transitioning from trail to road, or I get behind somebody, maybe we come up to a group of another riders, and now I have riders in front of me and they have dust. Obviously, I need to protect my eyes because of the dust. So I will just put the goggles back on. But it's so nice just to be able to do that and stay cooler. I know a lot of people do the whole, you know, they'll turn the goggles around on back and the straps up here. That's why my visor, the rock guard is so hard, or high up, the visor so high up, because, you know, that strap has to go somewhere. But that strap is just more pain in the butt. And then if you want to change it, you have to pull it off, swap it around, put it on, and go over, and it's just a pain. So this is how I run my helmet, and then the GoPro sits up here, and it just works. It just works nicely. It's how I've always run my helmets. So hopefully this helped you out, gave you some ideas, gave you a product maybe you didn't know about that's cheap, 18 bucks. I'm sure it costs them like $2 to manufacture, but hey, $18 for $80 goggles for $400 helmet, come on. 18 bucks is nothing. So check out the link and possibly pick up a pair. And they come in different colors too if you want. Different prices. I think the colors they charge a little bit more, like $20, $22 depending on the color. But hey, again, they work and I love them and I recommend them. 2 thumbs up. So thanks for watching. Please take care and stay well, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.